Hey, what's going on, guys? Being Charles, founder of the Teach Me to Fish FX trading community, and I am back with another video. In this video, we're going to do the weekly outlook. So let's hop into it. All right, so I'm gonna do things a little different here. I'm gonna go ahead and start on the dollar index. I already have some things marked out just to kind of move the video right along. Just for a really simple analysis, if we take a look here, the dollar index on the weekly chart, what did last week do? Last week traded down below the previous week's low. All right, found some support here, pushed up, and it closed above that low. So I am bearish for the dollar. I have key levels marked out here as my draw on liquidity. First targeting last week's high, and then the high for the week of November 21st, 2022. The consequent encroachment of this weekly fair value gap could be one as well. We could target these highs here as well. I don't have those marked, but we're gonna need a lot of volume for it to push up there. I don't know if it's gonna do that this week or not. So that's there on the dollar index. Let's take a look at the micros for the NASDAQ, which is the pair that I mainly trade, that you guys can be trading. All right, so my bias on this, if you can't already tell, it is bearish. Real simple indication. All right, last week's candle traded above the previous week's high and closed below that high, so I'm bearish. Simple as that. We did trade up into a CIVI, which is a bearish fair value gap. All right, looking for it to trade lower. All right, these are the levels I have marked out as far as my draw on liquidity, which is last week's low, and then these relative equal low for the previous 2 weeks there. All right, as well as this fair value gap consequent encroachment. Okay, and we also have this volume imbalance down here as well as another fair value gap. I don't think price will go that low this week, but hey, you never know what may happen. But yep, so I am bearish. Drop down to the daily here. What did the daily do? The daily gave us a swing high right off of this daily fair value gap here. All right, so that kind of tells me that the market wants to go lower. It traded through this fair value gap right here, which is or caused a inversion fair value gap. You can see that trade back up into there. Here, let's do this. I really don't have anything for an inversion fair value gap, but let's just do this. All right, you can lock it, throw it in the back. Okay, all right, so we can see it trade back up into there. The only thing that I don't like about that is if I drop down here on the hourly chart, all right, that current range that we're in right here, this dealing range, all right, this fair value gap is not in premium. All right, so I kind of want to see it go up into premium. So here on the 1 hour, we do have this fair value gap right here that is up into premium, as well as this inversion fair value gap right here. Just draw your eyes to that. Okay, we do have that inversion fair value gap that could come back to be tested. All right, so that's what I'm looking for in the hourly. I want to see price trade up before we head lower to support the macro outlook of this market going lower. So I want to see it trade up, preferably within this 1 hour dealing range. I know last week I had a 1 hour dealing range set up, but it traded straight through it. As soon as the market opened, it gapped. I thought it was going to be coming back to fill the gap and go lower. It gap, filled the gap, and it shot higher. So, but yeah, I would love to be able to see the market trade up, possibly into this 1 hour FVG here, or inverse fair value gap. Okay, before trading lower. So, maybe London or New York, AM silver bullet window will, you know, maybe the market on Sunday will, Sunday evening through Asia session will trade up into here, and then maybe London will start pushing it down, and we get a continuation, or it may just range a little bit or head higher for the first 2-3 days of the week, and then start shooting down. So, but nonetheless, I am expecting the market to reach lower into these weekly draws on liquidity. All right, that's basically what my biases mean, meaning that, hey, I can see the market reaching down, sweeping these areas of liquidity. Okay. Let's see. I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, I do have gold marked out. I guess I can go over that with you as well. I am bullish on gold. Yes, I know we did just have a market structure shift, but I am bullish on gold. Gold closed above, didn't close above that one, but it did close above this high right here. So we could see it reach up into these draws on liquidity before it heads down. But I'm bullish on gold right now. Oil, I'm bullish as well. All right, it did tap into this FVG, respected it. However, it did close below the consequent encroachment. Oh, excuse me, mean threshold. No, I said it right. Consequent encroachment of this FVG, right? But I'm thinking that it will push higher, at least to this high right here. All right, don't know if it'll do it this week. It's kind of far, but we'll see. And that's pretty much it, guys. You know, I mainly concentrate on NQ. So I'm going to drop down into the 1 hour. Market opens in about, what, 2.5 hours, a little less than 2.5 hours. And we'll be watching it when it opens throughout the night, and see what type of price action we get. Now we can also take a look here on Forex Factory at the high impact news that's planned for the week. So we have high impact news on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. So we're looking for volume to come in. We do have a federal. We do have Powell speaking on Thursday at noon. So that's probably a big volume injector for the market on Thursday. So maybe we could see the market, if it goes in favor of my bias, we could see the market trade up higher until Thursday, and then watch it drop. So we'll see. All right, so that is going to be it for my really quick market forecast. So until then, guys, you guys stay well, and I will see you guys on the lower time frames. All right, talk to you later. Bye.